Please open the following website to download the VPECKER software. As you can see, there are detailed steps. The installation is so easy. Well, let's open the VPECKER software. Please click the online store and enter SN number and password from the envelope. Please click Login to download the software. There are two modes for downloading. You can update one by one, choose the vehicle you like, or you can update all with one click. It may take a long time to download all the software due to customers' network speed reason. Operating system covers Windows XP to 10 that allow more stable performance. Now we will show you the smooth touch screen performance. Used with the latest operating system, its better compatibility and expandability, you can enjoy the smooth operations. It's extremely easy to use with the touch screen. There are many languages. You can choose language you need. It has demo, except even VPECKER is not connected. It can simulate how VPECKER works. You need to switch between mature and inferior system. Display models between full screen and fixing size. Logging function is available. It can log the date of virtual communication. If there's a new version, it can automatically block to update. It may take a long time to update all the software due to customers' network speed. Let's plug VPECKER into vehicle. Then make communication between VPECKER with laptop via Wi-Fi. There's no need to enter password to connect Wi-Fi. Just choose the VPECKER easydiag Wi-Fi single directly. The LED light will turn to blue when finished the Wi-Fi connection. Well, it will automatically identify VPECKER and VPECKER versions information when connection has Wi-Fi.